Let's talk about why. Why are you a window cleaner? Why are you doing the hustle? What drives you? It could be, you just need to make money, and that's plain as simple, and this is an avenue to do that. That's cool. It could be, you know what, I've been a window cleaner all my life. My dad was a window cleaner. I got the business from him, and it's a family business, and it's coming down generationally. That's awesome. It can be any number of things, but if you know your why, then you can determine your trajectory and your how, right? So I think about myself, and I think about what I'm doing and why I'm doing what I'm doing when it comes to the products. Why am I doing it, right? When I go online and I go on Facebook or Instagram and I see guys saying, you know what, this tool has helped me so much, I don't want to leave home without it. Or, I had pain and this has helped me mitigate some of that pain. Or it's just so efficient, whatever it is. And I see guys just saying this. And listen, we're a small company. We have a very small customer base right now, but we're growing. But every one of those comments, I read it and I reply whatever I can do to engage our customers. But it encourages me and it reminds me of why I'm doing what I'm doing, right? So, I have tons and tons of product ideas, and I have tons of creative ways to grow my business. But if I don't have the why and know why I'm doing it, then it's just, it's just a job. It's just whatever. I could be doing other things. I mean, I've had guys, kind of complain about the product or not even try the product and complain about it and say, oh, it's just a gimmick, or just trying to, another company trying to make a fast buck or whatever. Listen, this is not a fast buck. This is a hustle. This is a grind. We're a small company, a small team. We're doing all the manufacturing ourselves. We're doing all the sales. We're doing all the marketing. We're doing it all ourselves on top of running other businesses. So remembering my why drives me to keep on going, right? So I know I'm helping the community, I'm helping other guys to achieve the best possible business, lifestyle, and everything else in their life through my ideas. That's awesome, right? When I see somebody put something out there like saying, I don't want to go back home and get this tool if I forget it. That drives me and inspires me. That says, yes, I'm on the right track. I'm doing the right thing, right? It's not just trying to make a quick buck. If I really want to make a quick buck, I would just go ahead and keep on window cleaning. I would just put all this attention I'm putting right into this thing right now, and I'll put it into my window cleaning business. I would hire more guys. I would get more trucks. I would do more marketing. But that's not really my driving why. My driving why is to take these ideas and bring them to the larger market to help you guys. And it's not a quick buck because it's hard, it's a hustle, and it's a long, slow burn. But I believe in the vision, I believe in the products, I believe in what we can do, and I think that we're going to change a lot of things in the industry with small producers like myself, like Maker, like 3D Solutions, and other guys out there. And I think it's needed because some of the large companies aren't in the trenches every day, and they don't see what needs to be done, and they don't really know what it takes to do the job because they haven't done the job in 20 years, right? Anyway. So I just kind of want to say that, just kind of say, what are you doing? Why are you doing it? And that's, if you know your why, that can motivate you. So if you know, okay, I'm doing this because I want freedom for my family. I want my family to be able to know that there's all of our needs are taken care of, right? My wife can come home from a job if she wants to, or we can afford the private school for our kids. We can do the great vacation. Maybe I just want to have this like lifestyle business where I want to just be able to work seasonally and have off in the winter and travel with my family after coronavirus settles down. Maybe, I just love being in people's houses and being around people and getting to know my customers and having that relationship. So if you know your why, and you know what is driving you and motivating you, then you can grow a business, man. You can grow a business in the face of any crisis, right? In the face of losing the customers, in the face of employee issues, in the face of coronavirus and all these things. If you know what's driving you, then you can keep on driving. But if you don't know, you're just like, it's just a job, well, then you're already lost. If it's just a job, then you already lost. I mean, if that's what you want and that's your goal, just to have a job and not have to answer to a boss, I guess that is a why, and that is good. That's cool. But if you want to grow more than that, you really need to drill down into this. And then going into the new year, you're going to take that why and you're going to say, okay, this is going to be a starting point and a platform for me to build 2021 upon, right? So I want to keep on talking about how do you prep for the new year? And this is foundational, your why. Prep for the new year. Find out why you're doing what you're doing. And then from there, you can tweak and you can grow. Anyway, I wanted to share that. And I want to say thank you to all the guys who have put stuff out there on Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is, about our products and are using them and are liking them. Please keep on putting that stuff out there. It's encouraging to me and makes me know I'm on the right track. And if you're in the opposite vein and you've tried them and you don't like them, listen, that's cool. I get it. I send refunds back. I send guys their money back. I don't have an issue with that because not every tool's going to be perfect and not every tool's for every situation and every person. I get it. So anyways, have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.